Hi there. I'd like to respond to this little video refuting the peanut butter claim and actually doing it in a very weird fashion, namely acting as if the guy really did something scientifically, but then simply saying, well, it's not reproducible because it's not 100% clear what he does, even though he explains it and whatever. You probably do know this point, but um, it's not so much that it's not reproducible, it's the fact that, first of all, it's not evolution, and second of all, it's not even abiogenesis. Abiogenesis did not start with peanut butter, and even though peanut butter is pretty yummy, nothing will grow from peanut butter because the primordial soup, as we call it, was not made out of peanut butter.